Hello, my name is Steve Huber and welcome to Vernon Toyota. I'd like to introduce you to this 2023 GMC Sierra 3500HD 6.6 liter DURAMAX dually with custom flat deck, 6-speed shiftable automatic transmission, diesel powered 6.6 liter turboed, and a 4-wheel drive. This has a 36-gallon tank and delivers 401 horsepower with 464 pound-foot of torque. Towing capacity in this beast is 20,000 pounds and a payload capacity of 6,600 pounds. Both front seats have power adjustable lumbar support, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, height adjustable driver and passenger seat, multi-level heated driver and passenger seat, and a folding storage center armrest. Comes standard with stability control, traction control, front and rear ventilated disc brakes, dual front side mounted airbags, front airbags, blind spot and lane departure warning accident avoidance system, and fog lights. Interior boasts Bose premium brand speakers, wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, satellite radio, as well as USB connections. If you're looking to start a business or add another quality vehicle to your fleet, this may be the truck for you. Asking price for this moneymaker is $83,995. Come in and see me today to view or give me a call at 250-545-0687 for any inquiries.